Tiger!
Meron na so kasi na ano
Mali si Bebang ng ano. Mali. Mali.
Okay, this is a very good situation.
baka luwete
If you notice, nagsalubungan sila, two humans close to each other, pero one dog is here and the other dog is here. The
Mali.
one was sana, the dog was here.
Oo.
Okay, say for example, in actual situation, may ganong nangyayari, it's easy to gauge. Kunyari, you don't presume that she knows about this exercise, but you know. So pag nakita mo na yung dog niya doon, you're approaching pa lang, di ba you help your dog, you transfer your dog na. Okay? So let's go back. Pero drive mo na yung dog mo, tapos kunyari nakita mo na, pareho kaming side ng hawak ng dog. Di ba? Ikaw na yung mag-usa mag-transfer. Kasi pag alam niya naman na yung about this exercise, she would maintain na lang yung